Finding love isn't always easy, and then add complicated immigration laws on top of that, it can be very challenging. A local attorney sheds light on the topic.
Andrea, you're a local immigration attorney and you're from Venezuela. What got you into this field?
Life. I believed in love, and love brought me to the United States, and love pushed me through the hardest and toughest part of my life. And here I am. I believed in love again, and most of my clients believe in love again, so why not?
Wow, and we're talking a lot about love and dating apps today. What are the options for people that fall in love overseas, and what can they do? What stories can you share?
It's very interesting because it depends on the couple. It depends on who is the person who is living in the United States. Is that person a U.S. citizen or is a resident? You know, the options vary depending on that, but commonly you see a lot of engagement visa, which is the fiancé visa. I don't know if you have seen that show before. You only have 3 months to come here and get married.
Oh, 90-day fiancé.
That
yes,
one.
Yes.
And the other option is when you already married that person overseas and you just want to bring your spouse to the United States.
Okay, and what are the best legal paths that you advise?
Well, of course I will have to listen to, because it's case by case. Both visas, both options are really great, but it depends on the couple, how much evidence they have. For example, for the fiancé visa, you only need to meet that person once, like in person, okay? But you have to show that it has been a ongoing long-distance relationship. For the marriage-based, then you need to prove that you have been like living with that person, or at least you have more commitment, you have a kid, something that is stronger for your case.
What types of challenges would people face?
The time. You know, it's not easy to spend 2 years or more waiting for a visa to come here and finally reunite with that love of your life. So that's the impatience that you feel in these type of cases, a long time to get a visa. But more than that, if you have a real case, all I tell my clients is just be patient. You know, this is gonna come, and then you're gonna come to the United States and you guys are gonna be together, super cute, and you're gonna build a family. So they listen to me sometimes.
Have you heard a lot of success stories? Can you share any of those?
Yes, many of my clients have been able to reunite here in the United States. So you see, for example, people from the military fell in love somewhere while in deployment, and they just wanna bring that significant other here. We have done that. And they come here, they get married, and then we get them the green card, you know? That's just one of the many examples. Another successful story is when people use dating apps. Because believe it or not, dating apps work. And there are many dating apps for overseas. So you can try to find someone in Spain, for example, and you start dating someone long distance, then you meet, and it can work. It doesn't work for everybody, of course, but it can work. And I have had those cases. We bring them here, we get them green cards, and they start building a family.
Wow, okay, you said it works. Well, tell us more on why someone should hire an immigration lawyer for you and your services.
For your mental peace. So you delegate the work. You focus on your long distance relationship, and I focus on the legal part, which is the difficult and annoying part of the long distance relationship here.
You deal with all the stress and all
I
that,
deal with the
so
stress.
it could handle with ease.
Yes, I help them file all the documents that they need, review all the evidence, I communicate with the government, and then I just tell them what to do. Okay, you have an interview, go, do this. And then we just enjoy the final part of celebrating.
Now your office is in Sierra Mesa, but you have clients from all over, right?
Yes, that's one of the cool parts of practicing immigration law. It's federal law, so you can practice nationwide. So I have clients literally everywhere. And even for the overseas, like in any other country, we can help them get that consular processing done.
Very good. And what's the best way to contact you or connect with you and get your help?
My website, my social media is wide open, and just call in my office.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.